Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another unboxing. Today we're doing an unboxing for a Haptic Coin. This I got with a friend of mine. I did like a bulk order, and he just sent me mine. This is the black hole. I don't know who the maker is. It'll be in the title if I find out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Pretty excited because I don't really have that many Haptic Coins in my collection right now. I'll pull them out in a second. Yeah. Oh, okay. There's more than one thing in here. There's bubble wrap, some tape that he sent me. Thank you for that. That'll be used. What was this? Alright. What the hell is this? I have no idea what this is. Is this like... There's tape on here. Alright, and pencil. But I have no idea what this is. Alright, thank you though. Alright, we're gonna put these aside. Put the tape aside. Gonna put these two packages aside. We're gonna open up this black hole. Alright, let's get into it. Well, first I wanna get my current Haptic Coins out. Give me 1 second, guys. Well, the only like kind of magnetic Haptic Coin I have is these two. This one, funny enough, he also sent me. It's like a plastic. It's really loud. It's great. I love it. These are like 10 bucks. It's like one of my favorites. So yeah, that one. And then this YEDC pick coin in zirconium. Great. It's a haptic and a ratchet. So yeah, and then I got this one that I recently unboxed. The Gambit coin from Billet Force. And yeah, this is the Mackie drop. Well, this is kind of a spinner, a ratchet. So yeah, kind of like a coin shape, I guess. I'll just include this in the video. And yeah, then I got these different top C's. This is the Slick Zirc top C. This is the Spark top C, green and silver. Black top C, gold and black. And then this is another green and silver top C. But this has a custom design on it, and like somebody machined it. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, those are the Haptic Coins I have right now. And yeah. Alright, let me just put these away real quick. I guess the only magnetic Haptic Coin I have is this. So yeah, I definitely need to try some more Haptic Coins. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, here we go. I think metal card. Number 19, black hole, Zirc. Great. It was made quite a while ago. Cat black, black hole. That's cool. Alright, here it is. I'm gonna put this aside. This is not just ordinary Zirc. This is oil slick Zirc. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, excited to see what this is gonna be like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like oil slick. Oh yeah, this is nice. So inside, like if you guys can see in the edges, it has color on it, as well regular Zirc is just black. All right, let me see if I can get this open. So here we got the bearing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 magnets. Then another bearing over here that spins. It's pretty cool. You can put like a lanyard, you know, like a string through it, so it's easier to grip. And yeah, this thing's amazing. I like it. Definitely good in the ears. It is not loud at all. As you can see. This is the loudest, so let me go ahead and do a decibel reader on these. It's like 74 max. 80, 81. Like 86, so yeah. But overall, I love the way this thing feels. I can even do this motion where I just keep spinning it, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love the feel, love the size. I love the sound, it's not too loud. Won't drive people around you crazy. And yeah, 10 out of 10 from me. I will definitely be carrying this around with me everywhere. But yeah, definitely recommend this thing. I mean, I'm not sure if you guys can get these anymore. They're not made anymore. They're discontinued. And I got number 19, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put these away. And yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure to check out our channel sponsors down below. You guys get exclusive discounts on your favorite fidgets. And yeah, like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next video, where I'll be unboxing these things and see what's inside of them. So yeah, see you guys.